everybody. Zycres once again with my friend Sixta. And I honestly just, you guys asked for another vlog, so I'm just gonna show whatever random thing we're doing today. But what is planned is that we're gonna watch Spider-Verse today. I haven't seen it, and I'm excited to see it. And then we're gonna eat Denny's afterwards, I think. Because I want to eat after.
You want to eat after? I'm
down for Denny's instead of Taco Bell. You want to eat after? You're gonna hold it?
I'll hold it, bro.
Okay, well, if you're...
I'll hold it because
But fuck, Denny's is pricey, bro.
I think it's kind of pretty cheap. It's the build your own Grand Slam that's like less than $5.
Okay, well, if you can hold it, then I guess, but I still want to go to Taco Bell.
I can hold it.
You sure?
Yeah, because Denny's is going to be a lot better. It tastes a lot sweeter.
Okay, lots sweeter.
Besides, I can hold myself off on like half of a frozen pizza.
So then, if you do go to Denny's, you're down to wait.
I'm down to wait.
And what about a ride?
What?
What about a ride, though?
I'll give you guys a ride, Taco Bell.
Because that's what we were, because we thought you would just dip right after. So we were just like planning to get a ride.
Oh, I thought I was driving you guys home anyways.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's why I assumed.
Oh, shit. Well, then fuck. Then I guess if you want to wait till Denny's. But I'm hella hungry right now. Yeah, I just wanted to grab something small. Or yeah. McDonald's close to.
I want you guys to get whatever you want. I have like half a frozen pizza still I can warm up.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Alright. Then you can. You're fine.
I'd rather wait for Denny's.
Beautiful.
Denny's is so much better than Taco Bell.
Oh, yeah, no shit. Denny's, of course, is better than Taco Bell.
I haven't had breakfast. I didn't have a build your own Grand Slam in a while.
Dude, I got so tempted to just grab that shit last night on DoorDash. I was starving, but I found corn dogs in the fridge.
Yeah, I left my corn dogs at work.
Turn left onto East Elizabeth Street.
I guess it's fine.
But they're disgusting now. I remember as a kid I would love corn dogs microwave.
I still like it.
Now it's just like hella weird and nasty tasting.
I gotta be real hungry though and have like nothing else.
Yes, I was starving. I was like starving.
See, for me, corn dogs is like, yeah, I'll eat them if it's like the last thing I have. It's not like I want, like if I have them in front of me, I'm not gonna not eat them. But if I had to choose between something else and corn dogs, I'd probably choose the other thing.
Yeah, no doubt. This is also after a stream. This is after the giveaway stream that I did. And yeah, I'm just gonna go to the movies, show with some friends, and go out to eat and have a swell time.
Sonic is building momentum.
We're at Denny's. They don't even look it. What happened? Did your sister answer?
Oh, she's coming.
You should have texted her before.
I did. You know what she said?
Huh?
I'm in the shower.
What the heck? Why don't you just wait inside in the lobby?
I'm just gonna say bye to you guys over there.
Oh, okay.
See you, Daniel.
Oh yeah, that was the first time or what?
Yeah, the first time.
The first time you seen him, bro. All right, be safe. Oh yeah. Dang, it's you. Out of Denny's. Beautiful. Don't watch Bumblebee. Trash movie.
Bro, how long you think it took me to eat that?
Huh?
How long you think it took me to eat that? Probably less than 5
shit.
minutes.
Dude, you smacked that thing.
I did.
Like big time.
Honestly, bro, the moment I got it, it was in my mouth already. Like, look at the moment he put his plate down, like, I was already, like, shoveling shit.
On the way home now. Yeah? Beautiful.
Alright. Rico first, because he's close.
What's up, guys? Back at it again with another video.
So a continuation on the vlog.
I'm doing different things, you know. I think the day before I went to the movies, I showed a little bit of that with my friends. We went to Denny's. Sorry I didn't talk much. I was just chilling with my friends and in the moment, you know. But today, I have bought my cousin a headset. It's not crazy expensive, you know. I'm not crazy rich or anything. I don't got sponsors, but my cousin doesn't have a mic for Fortnite, and we play sometimes, and he watches my streams and he supports it. So I wanted to give him something for, first being my cousin, and then also because he needs a mic, and I want to talk to him, and he can talk to his friends or whoever else he plays Fortnite with. So yeah, he doesn't live that far, so we're just gonna walk there, and hopefully he likes it. You know, it's for PC, console, and the phone. You know, hopefully I didn't make a bad choice. I hope he likes it. And also, today's just been a crazy day. Today we're gonna go to Hanford. I'm gonna have that in the vlog as well. You're gonna see more of my family, and we're just gonna be chilling. And Hanford's just a cool place to be. I feel like it's like a second home there for me. So that's gonna be cool to go to. And we'll just, you know, with these vlogs, I really don't know what the heck you guys want to see. So I'm thinking of just showing my life, literally. Showing my life and what the heck I do when I'm not streaming, or just, I don't know. I think now I just see myself as a YouTuber as well. I'm not just like a streamer and then I do YouTube out of all the highlight videos on Twitch. Like, I actually make original content for YouTube as well. So I want to keep doing that because I think it's super fun and I like it. And hopefully you guys are enjoying as well. Is the camera even looking at me?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Yep.
It looks like low.
No.
And then also I'm going to be bringing more updates on the new house. That for sure. Like, the more progress. Like, I'm going to slow. It's going to be cool to look back on, you know? Because then I'm going to have the videos to look at when the house was so empty. And after when we move everything in, it's going to be real cool to see. So yeah, I'll see you guys there at my cousin's. Maybe I'll get his reaction.
Maybe.
All right.
Hanging out my ego to Zycres. Nothing. Yep.
I was like, he was like, oh,
Raise it up. I'm making a vlog right now.
right now?
Yeah. You want to say hi? Shout yourself out.
Follow me on Instagram.
Oh my god.
What's the Insta? Yeah.
Oh, 559JP.
There you go.
Jesus.
You want to come in or what?
Yeah.
Yeah, come on.
What are you doing right now?
Oh.
Hey, look at the man. We're vlogging.
Hey, we're vlogging. Say what's up. Say what's up, Yoshi. No problem. I want to see you try it out though. Because I don't know if I've never tried them before.
Right now?
It's all sealed.
Is that?
Yeah? For real? If not, it's cool.
No, let's go.
Are you sure?
You can just hide it.
Hide what?
She's gonna be happy to see you anyways.
Well, yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, I mean, I want to see my aunt and uncle. Where's my dad? Is your dad here?
My dad's at work.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, here is a gay freak.
Oh my god. I'm so
Ya que está aquí.
Hola, tía.
Hola.
Es que me soporta en lo que ando haciendo, como hago videos en YouTube y eso.
Yo también te veo.
¿Sí? ¿Sí me ves?
She gets mad. She gets mad because you say bad words.
Dile que no estoy diciendo esas palabras.
Come try it. Hurry, tell him
You
hurry.
want to try it?
Go, go, go.
Open it.
Put your key lines on her. Put your key
Hey,
lines.
who's playing that songs? Who's got the slappers? Dang. Where are we dropping, boys? Hey, how's my mic sound? I just got it. Yeah? Okay. No, it's just like some cheap headset, like $15 or something.
Yeah, hurry.
No, yeah, I got it at Family Dollar.
What the?
So, thought it'd work.
It's auto run.
Oh, for real?
Like you have, it's like run on default.
Oh. Whose settings are these, though?
Ninjas.
These are mine.
Let's get from ninjas keyvines on ninjas.
Heck no. Ninja's trash.
This guy said ninjas keyvines.
Play Fortnite for 7 hours straight, bro. Talk to me, bro. Squeak in the mic.
I'm pro. I'm pro.
Nice. Bragging.
I can finally talk now.
You're
I have
flattered.
to shoot at him just to call him.
You have to shoot me.
Wait, what's his Twitch thing? Sora.
Oh, FC Sora.
Yeah.
Yeah. FC _ Sora. Right here on Twitch. Come
Shout out.
No.
You guys didn't even stream.
Yeah, but so they can see, watch it out for him in chat. Alright, well, we went to my cousin's, dropped off the headset. He seemed happy, but hella shy. I don't get like why. It's like he couldn't believe it that I brought him a headset. And I'm his cousin. But, buddy, if you're watching this, don't worry about it, man. It's okay. Your family. What is it? It's nothing much to give you a gift. It doesn't hurt me to spend money on y'all. But, yeah. I think he liked it. It felt pretty cool, but for me it was hella small. But he has a small head, so it should be good for him. And hopefully his mom doesn't whoop his butt for playing too much Fortnite. Oh yeah, Jenny's holding a camera. Shout out to her again.
Follow me.
Show you or not?
No, follow me at. Y'all already know. Y'all should already know who this is. You already know what it does, cuz.
Missing. Y'all hear this right here? Missing.
Lucky.
Help that family if y'all seen it.
If y'all see it, bruh.
Alright. Well, I'm gonna just go back to the house.
Whoa, this looks dope.
We're gonna walk back to our home. And after, we'll see what I record next for Hanford. I'll see you guys there.
Stay hydrated, kids.
Wow, birthday boy. What is that, shots? Jello shots?
Yeah.
Dang, man. Brooklyn's finest, huh? I bet it says finest in Japanese. Huh?
It says no homo.
For real?
Yeah.
No homo?
Yeah. Just
What
kidding.
the heck?
Imagine.
That'd be cool, dude. I'd wear it. I want full homo though. That's the fresh one right there. That's better than Supreme. Look, say hi to the camera.
Gorgeous, look.
Hey, you have to bite it.
Why not?
It's tradition.
Your hair's gonna bite more than your mouth. Ah, there it is. Wow, dude. You didn't tell me you were into this? Wow, beautiful, buddy. You didn't tell me you liked this song.
Tan dichoso que en tu santo te encuentres gustoso y tranquilo tu fiel corazón. Vive, vive feliz en el mundo, canto al saber que hoy es día de tu santo. Dios bendiga este día de placer.
Boom. Boom.
Sí, me equivoqué.
Oh shit. Playing Beautiful Smash. What? Playing Beautiful Smash. It's my birthday boy. Look at him. Little Speedy.
Oh.
What are you playing? What map?
Whichever one, ¿Dónde?
Hold on, man.
Pues vamos a ver en la mañana cómo está.
Good to know.
Anoche
Huh?
no hubo. Ayer digo.
Should we record?
Yeah, I think. Or maybe show
Mm-hmm.
a fight. Nah, it's all good.
Okay.
No, it's too far to show the
You
fight.
get the gist of it. Just playing Smash, chilling at the party in Hanford.
You already know what it does,
Yeah.
cuz.
Okay. Pero no, ayer no hubo neblina.
Hashtag
Así que como que es unos días sí, unos días no. Sí. No, creo que no hubo. Sí.
When he turned into a weight thing, I thought I got hit by his spikes.
I've been waiting. Just die. Yeah, 1-2-1, man. 4-9 minutes. Just 2 minutes. You see Daniel's building up?
Yo,
Done.
Daniel took the L.
What did he say?
You see Daniel building up?
Oh yeah. If you see me lean in, you're dead.
He went pop.
Pop, boop, pop. Bada, bop, boop.